Hi everyone, I am Ms Perez and this is my second year at Larned Middle School. I teach physical education and weights at the middle school. Our middle school consists of grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. I get 7th and 8th grade every day, and the 6th grade classes I get every other day. I also coach, or I'm an assistant coach for the middle school volleyball team and an assistant track coach. I was one of the head track coaches last year, but I decided to step down from that. The goals this year that I have. The first one, find an effective discipline strategy. So last year, obviously my first year, I did not have any help, and this year I still don't have any help. But last year was a lot. I just had a lot to learn, and trying to find that classroom management and get kids to stay on track still, that was a struggle for me a little bit. But this year is actually going a lot smoother, and I hope it stays that way. Fingers crossed. But yeah. So the next one, I would like to improve my skills that I learned last year and implement them into this year. And my last one is to start a health curriculum here at the middle school. They do not have one. I know I was born and raised here in Larned, so when I was actually going to school here at the middle school, we did have a health curriculum, and then I don't know exactly what happened to it, but I do plan to get that back. And a fun fact about me is I get married in 87 days, and this is my fiance, Austin Weiser. So, yeah, new name and everything. And that is it. Thank you.